Natural pesticides for plants to save your garden. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Pesticides are used to prevent, destroy, repel, or mitigate pests in garden. Vegetable oil spray. A homemade natural pesticide made from vegetable oil mixed with a mild soap can have a devastating effect on certain insects such as aphids, mites, thrips, etc. To make an oil spray pesticide or insecticide, mix 1 cup of vegetable oil with 1 tablespoon of soap. While applying, take 2 teaspoons of this oil mix, add water, shake thoroughly, and spray directly to the surfaces of the plants which are being affected by the pests. The oil coats the bodies of the insects, suffocating them. It blocks the pores through which they breathe. Soap spray. Soap spray is also effective for controlling spider mites, aphids, mealy bugs, white flies, beetles, scale crawlers, and other insects. To make this soap spray insecticide, mix 2 teaspoons of mild liquid soap with water and spray the mixture directly on the infected surfaces of the plants. Neem oil spray. An oil extracted from the seeds of the neem tree is a powerful natural pesticide capable of disrupting the life cycle of insects at all stages, adult, larvae, eggs, making it a great resource for the organic gardener. Neem oil is biodegradable and non-toxic to pets, birds, fish and other wildlife, and is effective against a variety of common garden insect pests. It is also a natural fungicide that can combat powdery mildew and other fungal infections on plants. Neem oil can be found at any garden stores and in online shopping apps. Mix 2 teaspoons of neem oil, 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap with water, and then spray this mixture on the affected plants. Diatomaceous earth. It acts as a natural pesticide. It has affinity to absorb the lipids from the exoskeleton of the insects, which dehydrates them. I have a complete guide video on diatomaceous earth. Link is given in description box and on the end screen after the end of this video. Please watch this video also for details. Simply dust the ground around your plants or sprinkle it on the foliage where it will help control snails and slugs and other crawling insects. Garlic spray. Garlic is well known for its pungent aroma. Its strong scent comes into play when used as a natural pesticide. Garlic and chili, these kitchen ingredients can be used to knock down insect infestations in the garden. Take 2 garlic bulbs, puree them in a blender with a small amount of water, let the mixture sit overnight, then strain it, add vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon mild liquid soap in this mixture. Add water to make about 1 liter mixture. This is your natural pesticide. Now take 1 cup of this mixture, add water, and spray liberally on infested plants. All in one homemade spray. To make it, puree 1 bulb of garlic and 1 small onion, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Strain the mixture and add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap and mix well. To apply this homemade pesticide, spray it full strength onto both the upper and undersides of the leaves. You can store the remainder in the refrigerator for 1 week. Tomato leaf spray. Tomato plants are part of the nightshade family, contain alkaloids named tomatine, which can effectively control aphids and other insects. To make tomato leaf spray natural pesticide, chop 2 cups of fresh tomato leaves into 1 quart of water and let steep overnight. Strain out the plant material and spray onto the plant. Many people are turning to natural pesticides as a less toxic, more environmentally friendly alternative to synthetic pesticides. Natural pesticides don't remain in the environment as long as synthetic pesticide. They are considered less toxic and more environmentally safe than synthetic pesticide. For example, neem extract is toxic to caterpillars, aphids and termites. It has low toxicity to mammals and is biodegradable. Pyrethrin extracted from chrysanthemum flowers are used to control pests, fleas, flies, moths, and mosquitoes. Another way of repelling insects naturally is to plant certain species of plants in your garden. These include marigolds, chrysanthemums, lavender, and basil. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep your green friends happy and well. God bless you, and thanks for your time.